at the Beach. Pat Milan here from QRockRadio.com. There's so much going on every day here at Broadway at the Beach. Here's Doug Kelly with a look at what's going on right now.
Well, I don't like to brag, but I am a black belt in karaoke, and you too can have some karaoke fun at Jake's All-Star Karaoke. It happens every night, Saturday night a week at Broadway Louis in Celebrity Square right here at Broadway at the Beach. So go sing your heart out at Jake's All-Star Karaoke at Broadway Louis in Celebrity Square. Broadway at the Beach, where awesome takes center stage.
And here's another Broadway at the Beach with what's a fun, funky place to have a world-class daiquiri and good food. Well, it's Wet Willie's. Great food, great drinks, great people, and an awesome time. That's what Wet Willie's is all about. It's brand new here at Broadway at the Beach. Check them out. Wet Willie's. At QRockRadio.com, we know you come here on vacation, and you visit every day after you leave. Well, now you can have a piece of Broadway at the Beach every day, anywhere in the world. QRockRadio.com is on your computer, your smartphone, and your internet radio 24/7. QRockRadio.com plays the tunes you hear here. Keep you updated on Broadway at the Beach events all day. Plus, our Heroes Harbor Cam is live all the time, so you can see what's happening anytime.